this video, we will review Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Well, I don't see anything light about it. I will tell you why. So let's start. Launched earlier this year, pretty new on the market. Its storage space looks good, 128 GB. I guess this is the minimum we need these days, with the phones becoming our personal cameras. We have nice 12 megapixels here. RAM is good, we have two variants, 6GB and an 8GB with a slight price difference. Battery looks good with a 4.5K mAh. Display is 6.7 inches diagonally, nice and big for gaming, watching videos and so on. As you can see, announced this year only and also released 163mm long, 76mm wide, and thickness I will not say thin but not bad, 8.7mm only. Weight is just under 200 grams. If you see the size, it's not bad. Two variant again, a single SIM and a dual SIM. In most of the markets I have seen, it's dual SIM only. It comes with a stylus or S Pen with Bluetooth connectivity. It lets you control your music, video, camera and even navigate through the presentation. 1080 2400 screen with hole punch design, runs on OS Android 10 and one user interface, 2.1 in UAE and Spain, I believe. Powered from a 10nm chipset with an octa-core CPU. As we have seen above, 128GB storage and two variants available, 6GB and 8GB for the RAM. In some regions, only 8GB is available. If in your region both variants are available, then it's worth paying slightly more for the 8GB. Coming to the main camera, it has triple camera, 12 megapixels main, 12 megapixels telephoto and 12 megapixels wide. All three cameras here is 12 megapixels each. Coming for the video, we can shoot 4K videos for up to 60 frames per second, 1080 for up to 240 frames per second. Good for a slow motion video. So 1080 for up to 240 frames per second and 4K videos for up to 60 frames per second. This is a good part, selfie camera, 32 megapixels, definitely this wins my heart here. Moving on, we have here on-screen fingerprint sensor. Again, non-removable battery. This is something I don't like, but it's a normal these days, so it's okay. And it supports super fast charging. It comes in three different variants for colors: Aura Glow, Aura Black and Aura Red. This one here is Aura Red. But I prefer Aura Glow, it looks amazing and classy. So the price, it's $465 in general, but you can get better deals out there in the market. In Indian rupees, it is just under 40k. Other features such as loudspeaker here, it says good. Maybe we should compare it with other phones. Okay, so let's compare it with other similar phones. What should we compare it with? I don't know. iPhone 11. Okay, let's compare it with the big daddy, iPhone 11 Pro Max. I would also like to compare it with the Note 10 Plus. Okay, here we go. Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. First, the price. $465 for the Note 10 Lite, just over $1,000 for the 11 Pro Max and $644 for the 10 Plus, almost $200 difference with the Lite. 10 Lite is the recent launch. Dimensions are almost similar. Weight is similar to 10 Plus. Pro Max is 27 grams heavier. Display resolution is less in comparison to the other two, but I don't mind with this price. OS is Android 10, iOS versus Android 9 can be upgraded. The processor is octa-core, hexa-core and octa-core. Samsung is the winner here. Internal memory is fixed at 128 GB, two variant of RAM 6 and 8. In Pro Max, we have a variant for storage as well with some price of course, but if you see the RAM is limited to 4 GB only. 10 Plus we have 12 GB RAM for both of the memory options. So 12 GB, 4 GB and 8 GB. Camera 12 megapixels 3 cameras, same for the Pro Max for 10 Plus 12 and 16 megapixels for the wide angle. Video quality 4K at 60 frames per second, 1080 at 240 frames per second. Same for iPhone 11 Pro Max and Note 10 Plus. Selfie, here's a good thing. 32 megapixels for our favorite, only 12 megapixels for 11 Pro Max and 10 megapixels for 10 Plus. Look at this, 32 megapixels, wow! Colors, 3 variants, Aura Glow, Aura Black and Aura Red. For Pro Max, 3 different color, matte finish. For 10 Plus, we have similar color with white and blue in addition. Battery life looks slightly less here, but doesn't matter. 4.5k milliamp should be enough. Price $465 or 39999 Indian rupees versus more than $1,000 or over 100k Indian rupees. Even 10 Plus more than 200 US dollars. By looking and comparing the spec, it's worth buying, I believe. So as I have decided to purchase Note 10 Lite, before we buy, I recommend we compare the pricing in the market because I have seen a lot of variations in the market for the pricing. I'm using one of the websites available in my region for the price comparison. You can explore for a similar site for the comparison available in your region. At Amazon, it's $15.98. At Samsung Gallery, it is AD 2099. Amazon again $15.98. Lulu $15.99, Jumbo Electronics $19.49 and Virgin Megastore $2099. If we compare Virgin, Jumbo, Lulu and Samsung, as you can see it is an official site link. It is $2099 for electronic gadgets with this price range. I personally don't go to a third party for purchase. I am comfortable with buying online from physical store to claim warranty with ease. Lulu is offering the best price, which is $15.99 only. So let's proceed. I don't want Aura Red, I want Aura Glow. So let's just check if there is an option to change the color. This is the Aura Glow. So this is the discount on the phone. It is 24% off. Let's verify the specs. Let's add it to the cart. I think by mistake Aura Red is also on the cart. Let's verify one more time before the purchase. After the shipping charges, the price is still $16.09. Let's proceed to pay. I received my order, now it's time to check it out. So this is the Note 10 Lite. Let's check if the shipment was right. It is Aura Glow, it has 128 GB and this is the model number. So let's unbox it. So the box is cool, let's take it out. So let's take it out. Here it is, the Note 10 Lite. Nice and big display. So this is the Aura Glow, as you can see. Let's keep it aside. Let's put the knife back in. So this is the charger. These are the headphones. They're black in color, as you can see. So now I'm going to fast forward into the setup. So the setup is done. Let's browse. These are the three back cameras, 12 megapixels each. This is the flash. This is the ultra wide camera. This is the primary lens, and the other one is telephoto. The back is made up of a combination of plastic and glass molded together. So this is the Type-C port, the speaker grill, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and the S Pen. I'm going to end the video now, so hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.